So constantly put yourself in rooms where people are going to challenge the way you think. I think one of the things I want to encourage you guys to do is to build as many relationships with people as possible at your level and at levels further ahead.
I'm Vince Del Monte, and my vision is to coach 275 fitness professionals in 90 days to stop wasting their time on personal training clients in the gym and build a profitable online fitness business so they have more freedom and impact. This is my day. Let's go.
The currency of muscle growth is control. If you can't control your muscles, you can't challenge your muscles. If you can't challenge muscle tissue directly, you're not going to be able to build your muscles. One of the best muscle building tips of all time is a 4-letter word: slow. Those are easy till you add the 2-second pause at the top. Oh man, you drop your weights by 30 pounds. So many parallels between fitness and business. If you don't own the weight owns you. If you don't own your business owns you. So it's all about control. Controlling the chaos. Or is it gonna go that? Sometimes you stop when you're ahead. When you make your point, just walk away from the mic. Hey guys, welcome to another behind the scenes day in the life. I'm Vince Del Monte, fitness business coach. We knocked out our workout from 6 to 7:30 a.m. Got a little bit of deep work in. It's been a long week. We're working towards our road to 275 by November the 30th, so I'm pushing a little harder. We've got an amazing action-packed day today. We've got actually a mini mastermind I announced like 2 days ago, and I think we've got like 25 people coming this afternoon, and Coach Corby and I are just gonna do an open Q&A, so I'm really excited about that. But now, most importantly, gotta go get the kids ready for school. Flavi's probably done most of it already. I gotta go.
Oh my goodness, are you ready to go back to Tennessee? No? You want to go down to the honky tonk? Where's my kiss? I don't get a kiss today? No? Oh my gosh, where's the water? Get the water. You need the water now, John-Luc, out of here. Come here, hurry, hurry, hurry.
We're in the middle of a sales pitch. How could you not do the sales huddle?
I have a photo shoot today.
Okay, so
What's more important, the photo shoot or the sales huddle?
Let's do it. Sales huddle pays for the house, photo shoot pays for your image. Okay, but you need the sales huddle to pay for the photo shoot. Okay, got it.
Flavi, can I get a kiss before we start today? No, I want to figure out like what do I have to do to get you to love me more?
I think if you increase our fund budget, that change everything.
I feel like I never know what do I need to do to make you love me more?
I'm not the only one.
It never changes. It's the same thing.
What is it? I can't figure it out.
I know Flav's love languages though, for sure, 100%.
What?
Flav's love language from you, she needs quality time.
Yeah,
That's her no. That's her primary love
How
language.
much more can I give you?
Oh, I don't put that on camera.
If you treated me like your phone, we'd have a fantastic marriage.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
She said treat like a phone. She wants you to hold her, be gentle, press her buttons all the time. See? You're good.
I press her buttons all the time.
It's not good though.
I press the wrong buttons, that's the problem. What buttons am I hitting the wrong ones? Okay, I gotta do it live. Come on, we gotta do it live. We gotta teach people how to improve their relationships right now. Hey, welcome back to the Vince Del Monte podcast. We are here live together, Coach Corby and I, talking to you guys about the brand new, well, it's not probably brand new, but I feel like it's more prevalent than ever, and it's called the laziness epidemic. Nobody wants to work anymore. I'm just gonna say it. No one wants to work anymore. You know, you brought this up, I brought this up, and we see people complaining about their lack of progress or they're frustrated so easily. They hit their first roadblock, they just quit. They're constantly comparing. They, are investing into coaching programs, and it's just a constant whine. It's just constant freaking whining. I'm like, leave your whiny pants at home. Like, whoever told you that building a business is gonna be easy?
I don't think that people are necessarily lazy. What they are is they lack motivation. They're not clear about what they want. So as soon as you're not clear about what you want, by default, you're gonna be lazy. And they don't get after it because what? They realize it's gonna create work and effort. So one of the reasons why I think people are lazy, this is a different take on it. They're scared to expose themselves to failure. And because they're scared to expose themselves to failure, by default, what happens? They don't do anything. So guess what happens? They fail by default. So they rather fail by default, and that way they say, I never tried. So they fail by default rather than having it being failed because it was my fault. So you can fail by default or fail by my fault. But if you do it right, you're either, as Bob Proctor always says, you're either gonna win or you're gonna learn.
I love it. Peace out, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. Ciao, ciao.
Ciao, ciao.
Boom. Woo! That was awesome. I've got a training at 12, so I'm gonna swap out a few outfits. We can, I don't know, yeah, wherever you think.
When are you guys planning on leaving here?
Probably February.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll probably go down to Florida for a few months.
Yeah. Look this way? Yeah. Excellent.
When you're on stage, you just always everything's tense. Trying to make it look like you're not contracting at all, like you're having a great time. Really, like you're all freaking cramped. I need a banana.
All right, so heading back to do a training for the Fit Pro free mastermind group. And I'm gonna be teaching on how to destroy and deflect objections in the DM. If you want that training, message me on Instagram at Vince Del Monte and I'll hook you up with the replay if you miss it live. And then we're gonna have our mini mastermind, 20-25 people come into Casa Del Monte.
To Beyonce, so as long as I treat, that's the thing, it's about the level.
I can't tell you exactly what's going on, but Corby coaches 15 of our students who are doing over $100,000 a month. And they're on a private call they do once a week. And the students just share what they're doing to get them over and keep them over $100,000 a month. Would that be valuable for you? Corby's just listening and they're just learning from each other. This is the power of a mastermind. I'm just one part of our coaching program. The value is learning what other people are doing. What are we gonna do? All right, guys. Well, welcome everybody to Casa del Monte. This is pretty cool. I always love smaller environments. It's typically a better opportunity to have better breakthroughs and to open up and ask the real questions going on in your mind. So I thought we'd just take a quick second, maybe no life stories, but we'll just go around the room and just say who you are, where you're from, and one thing that you can contribute to the group, because I find these environments really opportunistic to meet people that can solve your problems. So
I've been a member since I think February of last year, but I've been having a challenge divorcing my business, and to do this is like a full-time job as well. So I'm torn between 2 kids and my wife, time management. I need to be around people like you guys more often.
Hi, I'm Becky, and I joined Six Figure Mastermind last year, June. And then I joined Seven Figure in 2 months later. So it's been a year and a bit since I worked with Vince. I used to just tell him, never saw him in my life before. I didn't even know this guy. He just popped up on my Facebook one day, has a webinar. I'm like, okay, I joined. And then I'm like, as soon as he talked about his results and his group and everything, I'm like, I know he is my coach. I don't know why, but I trusted him from the beginning. And then I trusted him all the way until now.
I've been with Vince for about 2 years, but I was following him from, I think I bought your Skinny Vinny book.
Look at him now.
I've been with Vince for the last year. I just hit my first 100K month in October.
100 grand, what'd you do to do that?
I showed up for my accountability call to Corby, and I infiltrated all of the trainings on the portal.
all right, so how many people feel comfortable? Feel like you guys are making probably more money than most people you know? That was probably one of the things that I fell for after I hit my first $1 million. I joined Bedros Keuilian's $18,000 coaching program. I hit $1 million with him, and then the next year I hit 1.8 million with my fitness stuff. And I got a big mouth. I started telling people, and
what's the big deal? Like, why are you trying to push so hard? Relax, like hit the brakes, like slow down. Like why are we trying to hit to the next level? I'm like, yeah, it's a good point. Why don't I relax? I started listening to the Italians. I started relaxing too much. And that was the day things started to unravel in the wrong direction, because I no longer had something pulling me forward. And I was comfortable because life was good. I was no longer in that survival mode anymore. I was already the guy at the clubs who was buying everybody bottles and guys ordering extra ones and saying, we're with that guy. And I'm like, I'm already the top guy in the group. Like, what am I trying to achieve? What had happened is I stopped hanging out with people who were ahead of me. So what happens as your business grows, you have to constantly put yourself around people who are further ahead. So doing what you're doing today is great. It's part of the reason I joined the 100 Million Mastermind, where I was forced to immediately think bigger. And I had to start thinking faster, and I had to start, looking at problems as an opportunity, and I had to start taking bigger risks. And you'll see the opportunity as, hey, there's more potential that I'm capable of, and you'll be driven by achieving your greatest potential. And the money is just a byproduct. So constantly put yourself in rooms where people are going to challenge the way you think. I think one of the things I want to encourage you guys to do is to build as many relationships with people as possible at your level and at levels further ahead. Can do, guys, is once the food's, I'll say grace in a moment, mix and mingle for an hour, and then if you guys want to get back into some formal Q&A, we can do that as well. Does that sound good?
So, for the apps, we have some Caesar salad, some prosciutto with caprese, which is tomatoes and buffalo mozzarella, as well as some grilled calamari. For the mains, we have 2 types of pizza, a margarita, as well as another pizza with sopressata and mushroom. And then we have some ribeye that's sliced with potatoes and veg on the side, some pasta and a rosé with mushroom and sausage, and a risotto. So I think you guys are going to be well taken care of tonight in terms of food. So Vinny took care of you guys.
I'm so indebted just to have a place that we can come to and eat. You know how important date night is for Flavie and I, and you've taken good care of us through this crazy pandemic, and I know the government, this province hasn't been as good to you. So just as a small token of our appreciation, there's just a little extra Christmas gift there for you, brother. And we just want to say thank you for the amazing work. I respect anybody that puts a lot of love into their work. So I appreciate it, brother. Yeah, absolutely. This is the life, my friend. This party could have been only better if you were here. We missed you here today. This is the 7-Figure Mastermind, celebrating together, enjoying some beautiful Italian food. Members here in the group are building relationships, they're breaking bread together, planning the future together, making money together. This is where it's at. So hey, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, turn your notifications on. If you need any help growing your fitness business right now, reach out to me on Instagram at Vince Del Monte and we'll have a chat. And we hope to see you at the next event. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.